no, I mean, I work off there on Allison Drive, Peabody.
Yeah.
But
I don't know. I came down. I believe when I took her car, I came down Peabody. That's just what I just thought. But I thought, well, you got your GPS on, it's supposed to be taking you another way.
oh no,
I didn't
never
know.
use GPS.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know how to read a GPS. I never use one. My daughter, she wanted me to DoorDash, and that shit is too hard for me. I can't figure that out.
I mean, I don't use GPS at all because I know where I'm at, even in places I never.
Dutch Brothers, we got that in Colorado too.
Yeah. No, I mean, I've been in places I never lived in or never been to. I know my way around. I never use a GPS.
Well, once you've been there, you know it.
No, even places I have never been to before. I'm always looking at maps and reading them. I don't use the GPS.
You'll find your way, huh?
I
remember streets. That's what I remember.
Yeah, I mean, I only use GPS for traffic and for nothing else.
Well, I don't use it either because I don't know how to read it. But I saw that, so I didn't know if you had it on. I didn't know.
I always do it just for traffic.
Shit, man, they got houses out here. This is by the base. Is Air Force Base?
Close, but yeah, it's to the right. If I took Peabody to the right, or State 113 over here. Yeah, oh yeah, it's still a little bit of Vacaville over here that's under.
Yeah, well, Vacaville's Peabody too. Because the prison's off of Peabody too. This is Peabody down here?
Leisure Town. Yeah.
Oh, Leisure Town. Oh. Okay, Leisure Town. I know where we're at. Leisure Town, Yeah, Kim's got a storage on Leisure Town Road. She's selling me.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, because Highway 113 is straight over there, and it takes you to Dixon pretty much, or
that's where her husband was buried.
Yeah.
It's out there.
Yeah.
We went out that way and we took a little dirt road and kept going. It's in Dixon though.
Outside Dixon, but I've been through there a few times.
I like Dixon.
Yeah.
It used to be real small of a town.
Yeah.
That was getting big. They're all getting big. When I lived in Fairfield, when I was younger, they told me that Vacaville, Fairfield, and Vallejo were going to be all combined into one town because along the freeway, you know how you see all the stores? And then I believe it because it is. They just keep building and building and building,
Yeah, no, it's... Yeah.
But they're still, Vallejo's Vallejo and Fairfield's Fairfield. Fairfield's just as bad as Vallejo is practically.
I always felt safe in Fairfield. I used to go to Fairfield and Vacaville.
Yeah, I was born and raised in Fairfield. That was my hometown.
Yeah.
But when I got a divorce, I moved to Vallejo.
Yeah.
But Vallejo wasn't like that when I moved there. It was a nice little town. You could walk Sonoma Boulevard to the laundromat where I used to go on York and Sonoma. Nobody would bother me all hours of the night. But now you can't do that shit.
Oh yeah.
Hell no. The gangs took over. That's because they don't have enough policemen. Yeah.
That's what attracts, I think, a lot of the bad people.
Huh?
That's what attracts criminals too, where there's no law enforcement or law enforcement that doesn't care.
Yeah,
They just,
They got a lot of young cops there too, wannabes. Cadets.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and they're scared to death of them people.
Yeah. I mean, I see them a lot just having personal conversations, either parked on Mare Island or parked by the laundromat, ignoring the rest of the city. I mean, that's not the type of place I would ever want to live in.
That laundromat over there is getting bad too, Kim told me.
Yeah, oh yeah.
And that's what I told her, if Joe keeps coming down there, Kim and Kevin's bothering him, he's eventually not going to come down there no more.
Yeah.
I said because he's not coming down there to be bothered by Kevin.
Yeah.
And Kevin won't leave him alone.
Yeah.
She's the one that told me Kevin wouldn't leave him alone.
Yeah.
She told me that.
Yeah, it's hard. I mean, it's been hard to be back to being myself and not having to worry about, I have a message from someone. And even with his doctors, that he asked me as an emergency contact, which I wasn't happy to hear that. But
He said what?
no, he asked me as an emergency contact for everything. Which, yeah.
Oh, if he could use you
Yeah,
as an emergency
yeah.
contact.
I hate how he does things that he doesn't ask. He just like, oh yeah, he'll do it. I'm like, you need to ask me. Like, I don't like people volunteering others.
Oh, you told him no?
No, I mean, I didn't know if he still had me as a contact. I mean, he did before, but he still does. Like, I just don't like when people volunteer others to do stuff. Like, you need to ask before you volunteer others. Yeah, it's like the second client I work with. It's a nightmare working with him, but like I have to take him to work. Like he has me drive him around all over the place, like chiropractor, gas station.
Oh, your client did?
The other client I didn't sign up for. He signed me up for that. But it's insane. He works at some hotel in Napa, but it's at the south end of Napa. So I drive a lot when I work with him. Last couple of weeks I had to, like 3 times during the week I had to do that. And then he's very impatient. He'll call until you answer. If not, he'll start text messaging you like crazy. I mean, like every couple of seconds he keeps dialing your number. It's like, I don't answer. I'll get there when I get there. You cannot pressure me to. Like, no. And he only lives like a few blocks away. I'm like, no. I have to do the meds. I mean, I work with someone else who's the main person I work with. I can't leave like that. But I don't know. It's crazy at times. Oh yeah, not free. Yeah,
she is right up there because I see Walmart right there.
Yeah, that's the one she goes to a lot.
We just went sightseeing.
Yeah,
it was a nice ride.
I like doing stuff like that too. Driving sometimes just for the being
a
tourist.
To drive, don't
Not to drive, but just because I work and there's no public transit that gets me there at the times when I need it.
Yeah.
But, it's Uber, but that's only for an extreme emergency. I'll take Uber. But like yesterday when I was coming back, Kevin, like, oh yeah, I'll pick you up when you go on your little trips and stuff. I don't want you to pick me up. He knows how I feel about his driving. He'll mention it once in a while.
Oh, you mean Kevin would pick you up? You said,
yeah, I'm like, well,
and when he pick you up from San Francisco, you mean?
No, I mean from wherever I'm at, because I do little trips. I mean, when I do my trips sometimes.
Yeah, but see, that's just something so he can get close to you, again.
Yeah.
Because he's doing you fake because he figures you'll
Oh yeah, no, that's why. That's why I don't answer him at all. I'll just keep quiet. Like I don't even acknowledge what you said. It's like, oh
yeah.
I mean, I know he was going to Kim for a while, crying or about like, oh yeah, he's leaving me, and blah 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 blah. I did. He just doesn't acknowledge that.
Here after the light.
Yep, but Oh yeah. I
haven't been here, but it still looks the same. I mean, I haven't been here in a while.
Yeah.
Oh, you got to go straight.
No, it's actually here.
I know, but it's a straight. The apartment's up.
No, I have to turn here and then make a left.
Oh, the park.
Yeah.
Oh, that's her apartment.
Yeah.
Oh shit! I'm sorry. I was wrong. Oh, you're right. Yeah. Oh God, man. I haven't been here in such a long time. I forgot. Where's Kim?
She's over here somewhere.
Is that her car? Is that her car? Is that a Jeep? I think that is.
Reminds us the tax benefits are
from next
year.
No.
Come into play when you do
that
taxes.
There's another one you have seen
Is that her?
before.
No, that's not her.
Yeah, she lives on this.
She
this
lives
road,
here.
yeah.
She lives right here.
Yeah.
Because I know where her parking is. That's not her.
Oh, then she was gonna get her car some stuff done, oil change or something else. She did tell me that.
Yeah,
That's
but
why
she
we-
said she was going to be here.
She might have parked somewhere else. But
No, I think you sure that wasn't her car over that on that side?
she doesn't have stuff on her dashboard. Like on like
No, that one over there.
yeah, no,
What is that?